Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Okay, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hello. So I had to change my computer, some problem. Okay. Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishnaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Nityanamine. Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Bhashata Deshatarine. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So welcome all. Welcome to hear about pastimes of Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. How the audio is good? Let me try to enhance it.
It is good, Prabhu.
Now it is better? Yeah.
Yes, Prabhu.
Okay. ये आवाज कहाँ से आ रही है? थोड़ा कम करो. Okay, so generally in spiritual life, these things like mercy, compassion, these things are only exhibited by very advanced personalities. And even you need to have advanced consciousness to be able to feel. Mercy and compassion belong to another domain. They do not belong to material domain. In material domain, there is only adan pradan. I give you something, and in return you give me something. It is business. Srila Prabhupada was personification of mercy. Therefore, we see so many devotees gave their life to Srila Prabhupada because he was merciful. We only surrender to somebody when we see somebody is very merciful, very compassionate. So that's why Srila Prabhupada's devotees, how many millions of devotees, he gave them shelter. So the Guru is called personification of mercy. He's called Kripa Avatar. He signifies mercy of the Lord. He is a personification of mercy of Krishna. Vaishnavas also, we sing every day, Pancha Kalpatarubhasa, Kripa, Kripa. If you want to become great, even as a Vaishnava, learn to become merciful. And mercy is not business dealing. Mercy is trying to help somebody to advance in Krishna consciousness. And Nityananda Prabhu is actually Balaram Hoile Nitai. He is Balaram himself. And as Balaram, Nityananda Prabhu is our first guru. Balaramji is the first guru. He teaches about Krishna. And being the same personality, Nityananda, he teaches us about Krishna. He is the first guru. And he showed unlimited mercy in his various pastimes, and he exhibited qualities enhancing our devotion to Krishna. Therefore, this prayer by Narottam Das Thakur is very nice. One side, he keeps talking about mercy of Lord Nityananda. Other side, he keeps beating us. You will not take. Say, Pashu Bhoda Durachara. You are an animal. Very difficult to control. Both he says. Satya, Charana Satya. Ye Pashu Bhoda Durachara. It's like trying to scold us. Take shelter of Lord Nityananda. What are you doing? In fact, there is another song which is Koda Nitai. Koda Nitai. So somebody can prepare and to the class we can hear that song. It's very sweet song. That song talks about Nityananda Prabhu starting the marketplace of the holy name. Very touching song. In fact, when we go to Survi Kunj and Navadip Mandal Parikrama, we hear this song. It's very, because from there, say, very great news, good news. Now, whatever we get is only sad news today. Correct? News means sad. And because people are also saddest, they take great pleasure. If I write a newspaper of good news, it will not sell only. Nobody's interested. Suppose I tell you, I could tell you, that person is so nice, he was so amazing. And today such a wonderful thing happened. Their people are so kind. Nobody wants to hear that. That person, you give that emotion like that, everybody wants to hear. Because we don't want to hear good things in anybody. We only want to hear bad. Therefore, the bad newspapers sell. And Bhagavatam, Charitam, Charitamrita only give good news of the spiritual world. And bad people don't want to hear. So there is good news. Good news. What is the good news? That Nityananda Prabhu is distributing the holy name. And just on the base of little Shraddha, he is giving the holy name to people. He has opened a marketplace, Nam Hata. Hata means, that is from there the word Nam Hata comes. Hata means a marketplace of the holy name he has started. And in distributing the holy name to whoever is ready to take. Okay, so that's very nice song. If somebody can prepare, keep ready. So, okay. So Nityananda Prabhu showed various pastimes. In fact, he was born 12 years before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And he was, in fact, at 5 years of age only, his father named him Harai Oja. And at 5 years of age only, he's one very interesting thing. Can't even believe this today. So one saint came to his home. I've not heard the name of the saint. And his father was very respectful. He served him and he stayed at the house for a few days. And then while going, the father of Nityananda Prabhu, Haraya, just said, "What can I give you?" He looked at him. He said, "Give me the son, 5-year-old boy." Can you just imagine? They said, "You can take anything. Don't take this away." Nityananda Prabhu was so popular in the whole town, so popular that they used to do, as a small child, he used to do pastimes of Lord Krishna. Nobody taught him. He knew every pastime. And with his associates, he used to enact various pastimes every day. And he was like life of the whole town. And finally, being a very, very religious person, his father Haraya said, "I cannot say no. Take him." And not only that, Nityananda Prabhu was also ready. "Papa, I'll go. I said, "Okay, go." And as we have in the instance of Lord Rama, when Dasharatha could not even live, Harayoja could not even live after that, whole town became deserted and smashed just by that one act. It was the life of the whole town. Small boy. And then with this saint, he went all around India. I said at some place like Pandharpur, he met Lakshmi Pati Tirtha. And he took Diksha from him. And after that, he was traveling. When he was in Vrindavan, he traveled all around India, just like Balramji traveled all around India. He understood Lord Chaitanya had appeared. And he was waiting for Lord Chaitanya to start in Nama Sankirtana. And when he did that, he came and he wanted Lord Chaitanya to find him. He came to Navadip. And as interesting, what Advaita Acharya did, but Nityananda Prabhu did the same thing. He hid in the house of Nandanacharya. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told everybody, "A great saint has come, search him, search him." He knew. Nobody could search. And then he said, "He's hiding in the house of Nandanacharya. Let us go." So Nityananda Prabhu could understand, here is Lord Chaitanya. How he could know that I have come and I am hiding in somebody's house. And there was a very, very touching meeting. In fact, we are not so very advanced. Great devotees describe the meeting of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nityananda Prabhu as intense, very, very intense. And then he joined the party of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu, Nityananda, second personality, Sri Advaita, Gadadhara, Shiva. The five great personalities, Pancha Tattva. And they started spreading the Harinam Sankirtan. Chaitanya Charitamrita describes very ecstatically as they were dancing and dancing in ecstasy. And the holy name and the sweetness of the holy name they distributed to everybody. So everybody could drink the pleasure of chanting the holy name of the Lord. And various pastimes which come to the mind of is one of the pastime which is very, very, very famous is Jagai Madai. In fact, many festivals we have done the drama. Some of you are planning to come for Gaur Purnima. I was informed by somebody that there are 90 groups now we are having across all the languages. Okay? So plan a visit with your group. If you can plan Gaur Purnima, it will be very nice. And if you can plan to do one of these pastimes which we discussed, it will be ecstatic. Okay? One of them is Jagai Madai, very famous pastime. And it's very, very touching pastime, where Nityananda Prabhu and Haridas Thakur were ordered by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to go house to house. And they were requesting people, please chant Hare Krishna mantra, distributing the holy name. That time there is no book distribution because books have to be handwritten. It takes a lot of time. So directly go give instructions and people can remember. They're better than today at least. So they were instructing people going house to house, message of Krishna conscious and doing Nama Sankirtana. And imagine Haridas Thakur. What is the team? Haridas Thakur, Nityananda Prabhu. High power team. And they saw on the street Jagai Madai. Jagai Madai were born in a Brahmin family, but were degraded into debauchees. They were harassing people, harassing women. They're very bad. And Jagai Madai, and they were always drunk. When Jagai Madai saw them, they said, if he becomes a devotee, it will be great victory for the Lord Chaitanya's mission. So they requested that, why don't you chant? So Jagai Madai became very irritated and they became angry and they chased them up. The next day they came again and they requested that, why don't you chant Hare Krishna? At this time, Madai became very angry and they were drinking, those, not the glass bottles of today, as far as I can get. They did the clay pots that time. Everything is in clay, even liquor. They got Mishri Dahi when he went to Mayapur in clay pot. Now this is also another Mishri liquor and fermented Mishri. So he took that and he threw on the head of Nityananda Prabhu. It hit his head. Nityananda Prabhu's body is transcendental, not material, but still like Bhishma's Leela, when Bhishma throwing arrows at Krishna, apparently Krishna used to show some blood on his body. But there is no, his body is totally spiritual. But still, so similarly, he showed some kind of an injury. And this news went to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that they are on your order trying to spread the holy name. But somebody has, that's why when somebody gives pain to devotee, we become fire. Yeah, devotees become fire. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu become fire. And he was thinking what to be done. And he ran from the Jagannath temple where he was staying. And he ran and he reached the spot and he saw Nityananda Prabhu injured, what he had heard. And anger, he called for Sudarshana to cut their head. And Jagai Madai could see some personality has come. He's angry like fire, extremely angry, and is calling for Sudarshana. And here it is. They could see some huge, vibration in the sky, lightning. They could see some divine power is coming and that will take their life. And Nityananda Prabhu now, he sees the situation. He falls at the feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Please, not in this incarnation. We are not going to lift weapons. He begs Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, please stop, control yourself. Don't be so angry. At this point, Jagai Madai see what's happening. They broke the head of Nityananda Prabhu. He said, doesn't matter, you chant Hare Krishna. Second, they saw that somebody was about to kill them. And what did the person say? The person said that, Nityananda Prabhu, please don't be angry. So they were drunk, but they were shaken from their drunken stage by seeing this. And they fell at the feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, please forgive us. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, I'll forgive you on the condition you give up your bad habits. The proper comments on this, and actually practically everybody in society is like Jagai and Madai. It's difficult to find somebody who is not involved in sinful activities in Kali. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is ready to forgive, ready to forgive. And then this pastime, Jagai Madai become wonderful devotees. After this, Madai felt most guilty because he's the one who threw the stone or the pot. He built a ghat to assist the devotees and seek their blessings. That is called Madai Ghat. Even now the ghat is there in Mayapur. And that is very interesting pastime. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, as he accompanies, does his Nama Sankirtana, Nityananda Prabhu always with him, dancing with him. And it's very ecstatic and different pastimes. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu takes sannyas and he decides to leave for Jagannath Puri. And who's walking with him is Nityananda Prabhu. They're there with him. In fact, in the beginning, Nityananda Prabhu shows more, just like here, more mercy. Again, Chaitanya was going, he feels, no. What about his mother? She feels so much pain. What about his other devotees, sudden sannyas? Let them see Chaitanya for some few days more. So he plans with Advaita Acharya to have Chaitanya Mahaprabhu at his home. So he distracts him. After sannyas, as he's walking, dancing towards Vrindavan, Nityananda Prabhu gives him wrong direction and takes him to the house of Advaita Acharya. We discussed that few times. And at the house of Advaita Acharya, Nityananda Prabhu shows Avaduta feature. Even not eaten for 3 days, he says to Advaita Acharya, I didn't eat for 3 days. I was behind Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, misdirecting him to your house, busy with that. But today I thought I'll eat something. And what you have given, so little. It was actually tons and tons of food. He was just having fun. So that's very funny pastime. There are many pastimes like Avaduta of Nityananda Prabhu, his mood. Like Chaitanya Prabhu has a mood, Nityananda Prabhu has a mood. Avaduta. Avaduta means totally not caring for social customs. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, then the pastime accompanies, and when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is taken sannyas, is walking towards Vrindavan. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu once goes for taking bath, he takes the danda of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and breaks into pieces in anger. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu comes out, he's wearing a danda. No, but you know what happened? We fell on it and it broke. He becomes very angry. But what is the reason? Because he felt that why should Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has to hold danda like a Kanishta sannyasi? He is Paramahamsa. Why he needs to hold a danda? So in that way, he exhibited that pastime. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we know, after that, left the whole team, went forward. And when he went to Jagannath Puri, what happens? He faints, you know that. And then Nityananda Prabhu is coming the team. Actually, Nityananda Prabhu also almost faints, but other people hold him when seeing Jagannatha, because in the same mood, intense love of Krishna, of the devotees. And after this pastime, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu requests Nityananda Prabhu to go to Bengal and preach. He sets him. In fact, he also ordered Nityananda Prabhu to accept Grihastha Ashram. Therefore, we had a plan to start the Grihastha Ashram training. The whole theme will be here that this is Nityananda Ashram. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu finally took sannyas. They said, you want to follow Gauranga Ashram or Nityananda Prabhu Ashram? So it's good. And Nityananda Prabhu, therefore, set an example of an ideal Grihastha, how to be a good Grihastha for everybody. And he had 2 wives. Those days, we could have more than 1 wife, 2 wives. And then both are, I think, daughters of same person. And then after that is the pastime of Nityananda Prabhu that goes to preach in Bengal. And there we have this, and we have many pastimes in Jagannath, Rath Yatra, where he used to come everywhere. Every year you could see the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu dancing and dancing and dancing. When he's falling, Nityananda Prabhu is the first person to grab. So this is true in Mayapur also. This is also true in Jagannath Puri. And we have that in Bengal when he's preaching and he reaches Panihati, there is another festival. Raghunath Das Goswami from a great distance pays obeisance to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And so to Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu says, bring that thief here. And he brings him. He said, you have to be punished. Therefore, it is called Punishment Festival. That is Pani Hati. If you come now sometime later. And he asks Raghunath Das Goswami, that time Raghunath Das, to feast everybody. With what? That is chipped rice. With milk, chipped rice is called, and the big feast comes out. We know about this Pani Hati festival. And in his festival, Nityananda Prabhu, by his meditation, brings Chaitanya Mahaprabhu there. And he gives him something to eat. So it is mentioned in Chaitanya Charitamrita that whenever Nityananda Prabhu dances in ecstasy, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu comes there to just watch that dance. The dance, not. In fact, when we were going to the temple, always used to see the Panchatattva and hand on Nityananda Prabhu raised. So dance with ecstasy. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to personally watch that dance. Okay, so that is a great pastimes. And then the next day, Nityananda Prabhu blesses Raghunath Das. Yes, he will get shelter of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So anybody who wants to get shelter of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, get love of Krishna, should therefore seek mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. He is most merciful. Most merciful. We know that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is more merciful than Krishna, because Krishna made a condition: if you surrender to me, I will take you back to give you all protection. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu doesn't make that condition. That's like Prabhupada gives an example. Teacher says, write A, that is Krishna, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu takes a chalk and write on the board, see, like this you can write. So by giving an example how to be a devotee, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is more merciful than Krishna. Krishna orders, become my devotee. Manamana, Pamadabhakto, and I'll take care of you. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu shows by an example how to become a devotee. Therefore, he is more merciful. Be careful. This is the pastime. So let me see now what I have in a small presentation. And if somebody also keep ready, if you have some pastime of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, which I could have mentioned, but I didn't. Okay, you can all see now the presentation. This is Nityananda Prabhu, the Trayodashi at our Shridham Mayapur, the headquarters. You can always see he's dancing with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Charitamrita talks that whole Panchatattva team is dancing in ecstasy and bringing love of Krishna to everybody. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhaktavinda. So this is the famous statement which says, Branjeda Nandana say Sachisuta Hoile. And then Balaram Hoile Nita. Balaramji becomes Nityananda. So where did Nityananda Prabhu appear? That's a place called Ekachakra Dham. It's in India. And many devotees, ISKCON has built a beautiful place there. Guru Maharaj is very alert in this. Now, ISKCON has a beautiful place at Ekachakra. And when we go next to Mayapur any plan, we can go to Ekachakra. It's around 3.5, 4 hours. And ISKCON has built good facility. You can even stay there and get the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. When did he appear? 1474, for your reference, he is 12 years before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu he appeared. Father, Mother, Harai, Oja, and Padmavati. Eka Chakra. What is this? Eka Chakra. This refers to the pastime where you know that Krishna was chasing Bhishma at Kurukshetra, and then Arjuna said, please don't do it. The chakra was thrown by Krishna, Eka Chakra, this single chakra landed at this place in West Bengal. It's a big missile landed up there. Okay, so this is the place and very near to Bangladesh border. This is Eka Chakra. You can go it from Kolkata, 5 or 15 minutes. You can go from Mayapur, 3 hours, 56 minutes. This is on a map. This is the temple, which is being maintained at the birthplace of Lord Nityananda. This is the deity there. So this is, many dramas are there. Even this drama can be there. Somebody coming to the house of Nityananda Prabhu and requesting him, please give your son. And Harai Oja was very much pained, but being very religious, he did not refuse a request to sannyasi. So they started with Gaya, they went to Vrindavan. They went Lakshmipati Tirtha at Pandharpur, back to Vrindavan, and he had vision of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appearance, and he was waiting for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to start the Nama Sankirtana. This is a beautiful painting. He's taking Diksha from Lakshmipati Tirtha. And when he came to Navadip, he hid in the house of Nandanacharya. Lord Chaitanya gets a dream. Nityananda Prabhu comes and he tells everybody he has come, search for him. They can't. Then he takes his team and goes to the house of Nandanacharya. And there is very, very ecstatic meeting of Lord Chaitanya and Nityananda. Very ecstatic meeting. Jagai Madai Deliverance, we just discussed this pastimes. Very sweet pastime. This can be another beautiful drama. You can plan for God Purnima. And when things become more active, we can, even on Nityananda Prabhu Deliverance, we can have dramas, we can have special. We are going to have program in the evening today, but we are busy with the festivals, so not very grand, but it will be there. Other features will be there in the evening. Do join us. We are not made it a big public festival. We invited our congregation on this year. This is Gone Nitai. Chaitanya Charitamrita says that in love of Krishna, the tank was stored up, but by dancing and dancing, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu dancing ecstatically, broke that love of the pond of love of Krishna and let the water spread everywhere. The mercy of Krishna conscious spread to everybody. You can see he is always there with Lord Chaitanya. And his dancing is so ecstatic. We can't even dream to even understand little bit of consciousness of Nityananda Prabhu. But take this much, he's very merciful. And I talked to you about this Avaduta behavior. Nityananda Prabhu said, what food you're giving us? So less food. And then he took some grains of rice and threw it at Advaita Acharya. Kya banaya ye? And as they touched Advaita Acharya, the prasadam from Balaramji, he went into ecstasy. He was dancing in ecstasy. It's a very beautiful pastime, this is. And this I told about the Danda Bhanga. Even the river name has changed to Danda Bhanga river now, because Nityananda Prabhu broke the Danda and threw there. You can see here also again, when Chaitanya was dancing, he is the one. This is a beautiful pastime. We discussed a Panihati, where we can see what? We can see how Nityananda Prabhu blessed Raghunath Das and said, yes, you will see Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you will get shelter of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and your name will be Sarupas Raghunath. And in that festival, he brought Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in presence of everybody. These are his two wives, two daughters, they are sisters actually, of Surya Das. Very interesting that even though Nityananda Prabhu is Balaram, the mood is different. There was one person called Roma Harshana Suta. He was talking about Krishna consciousness, but at the same time had no real respect for Krishna Balaram. And Balaramji entered the assembly and he saw the Roma Harshana Suta just sitting without any respect. So what is the person doing? Making a profession of speaking, but has no real emotions in his heart. Be careful, please do not make yourself unmute If you do that, I have to mute everybody. So then what happens that Balramji goes, takes a straw and he removes the soul from the body. Just by touch of the grass, he kills it. No mercy, no sutta. So Balramji was so strict, very strict. But here at Nityananda Prabhu, he's begging people. So he used to go door to door and beg people, please, I request you chant Hare Krishna mantra. Please, I request you chant Hare Krishna mantra. So it's totally another mood. One side is taking a straw and killing somebody, other side taking a straw between the teeth and begging people, please take the process of Krishna consciousness. And for people of Kali Yuga, the analysis is low esteem, high pride. Low esteem because people know they are good for nothing. They know that in the heart. But still, hypocrisy is so high, age of Kali Yuga, that pride is there at the same time. So Nityananda Prabhu, you can see here. Yeah. Some verses, glorification of Nityananda. Prema matta Nityananda kripa avatara uttama adama kichuna kare vichara. Because he is intoxicated by ecstatic love and is the incarnation of mercy, he does not distinguish between the good and the bad. He is merciful to everybody. Ye aage padaya tare karaya nistara ateva nistarila mo hena durachara. He delivers all those who fall down before him. Therefore, he has delivered such a sinful and fallen person as me. Heno nitai vinay bhai Radha Krishna paite nai. Unless one takes shelter under the shade of lotus feet of Lord Nityananda, it will be very difficult for him to approach Radha Krishna. Nitai pada kamala koti chandra sushitala. We just sang this. Jai chai jagat jhurai. Heno nitai vinay bhai Radha Krishna paite nai. Dhrida kori daro nitai paya. The lotus feet of Nityananda are the shelter for one who will get the soothing moonlight of not only one, but of millions of moons. If the world wants to have real peace, it will take shelter of the Lord Nityananda. Unless one takes shelter under the shade of the lotus feet of Nityananda, it will be very difficult for him to approach Radha Krishna. If one actually wants to enter into the dancing party of Radha Krishna, he must firmly catch hold of the lotus feet of Lord Nityananda. Dina hina patita pamara nahi bache, brahmara durlabha prema shavakare jache. Lord Nityananda freely offered the exalted prema, which is difficult for Lord Brahma to attain, even to the fallen wretched souls who did not desire it. Abhag karuna sindhu nitai katiya muhu, ghare ghare bule prema amiyarabana. The ocean of verse that formerly been sealed tight, but Nityananda cut channel in its boundary to allow the great flooding waves of nectarian love to splash from house to house. Jare deke tare kohe danta trina dhori, amara kiniya loho bola gaur hari. He exclaims to whoever receives while holding a straw between his teeth, please purchase me by worshipping Gaur Hari. Lochana bole mora nitai, jeva na bhajilo, janiya shunana sai, atma ghati hoilo. Lochana says, whoever has not worshipped my nitai or taken advantage of the excellent opportunity offered by him knowingly commits suicide. Hare Krishna. Koda Nitai. Who wants to sing Koda Nitai? Aishwarya Mataji, you like to sing?
Someone else also sing from. We'll give chance to others.
But
When people know this Nadiya Godrume.
yes. Let's sing. Let us sing now. Radha Govinda. Mataji Nityananda Mahajana, you can share and sing. They will learn there. Some of them are learning.
Nadiya Godrume Prabhu.
Yeah, you start with that. Then let us see if somebody is ready. Koda Nitai. Neeraja Mataji, what do you want to sing? Which one?
Mataji like to sing Nadiya Godrume. Hare Krishna. She sings well, Prabhu.
But you have to make her
I'll unmute her.
yes.
Hare Krishna
Hare
Prabhuji, Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Which
Can I
one?
sing? Can I sing?
Which one,
The
Mataji?
lyrics. Yes, Mataji. Nadiya Godrum. I have the lyrics with me.
Yeah, I can sing.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you, Mataji. Nadiya, Nadiya Godrume Nityananda Mahajana Patiya Chena Mahata Jivera Karan. Nadiya Godrume Nityananda Mahajana Patiya Chena Mahata Jivera Karan. Nadiya, Nadiya Godrume Nityananda Mahajana Patiya Chena Mahata Jivera Karan. श्रद्धावन जाना है, श्रद्धावन जाना है, श्रद्धावन जाना है, श्रद्धावान जाना है, पातियाच नाम हटा जीवेरा करण, पातियाच नाम हटा जीवेरा करण. नादिया गोद्र में नित्यानंद महाजन पातियाचे नाम हटा जीवेरा करण. प्रभुर आज्ञाई भाई मागी है भिक्षा, प्रभुर आज्ञाई भाई मागी है भिक्षा. बोलो कृष्ण भाजो कृष्ण करो कृष्ण शिक्षा, बोलो कृष्ण भाजो कृष्ण करो कृष्ण शिक्षा. नादिया, नादिया गोद्र में नित्यानंद महाजन पातिया चे नाम हटा जीवेरा करण. नादिया गोद्र में नित्यानंद महाजन पातिया चे नाम हटा जीवेरा करण. अपराध शून्य होय लोहो कृष्ण नाम, अपराध शून्य होय लोहो कृष्ण नाम. कृष्ण माता कृष्ण पिता कृष्ण धन प्राण, कृष्ण माता कृष्ण पिता कृष्ण धन प्राण. नादिया, नादिया गोद्र में नित्यानंद महाजन पातिया चे नाम हटा जीवेरा करण. कृष्णेरा संसारा करो छाड़ी अनाचार, कृष्णेरा संसारा करो छाड़ी अनाचार. जीवे दोया कृष्ण नाम सर्वधर्म सार, जीवे धोय कृष्ण नाम सर्वधर्म सार. नादिया, नादिया गोद्र में नित्यानंद महाजन पातिया चे नाम हटा जीवेरा करण. नादिया गोद्र में नित्यानंद महाजन पातिया चे नाम हटा जीवेरा करण. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Hare Krishna. Should I read the translation, Prabhuji?
Yeah, you can read.
Okay. Translation. In the land of Nadia, on the island of Godruma, the magnanimous Lord Nityananda has opened up the marketplace of the holy name meant for the deliverance of all fallen souls. O people of faith, O people of faith, by the order of Lord Gauranga, O brothers, I beg these three requests of you. Chant Krishna, worship Krishna, and teach others about Krishna. Being careful to remain free of offenses, just take the holy name of Lord Krishna. Krishna is your mother, Krishna is your father, and Krishna is the treasure of your life. Giving up all sinful activities, carry on your worldly duties only in relation to Lord Krishna. The showing of compassion to other souls by loudly chanting the holy name of Krishna is the essence of all forms of religion. Can you please cross this? Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. So we then go to the evening festival. We'll meet at 5:30. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, everybody.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Prabhuji, thank you Prabhuji. Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Dandavat Pranam. Thank you so much Prabhuji.
Pranam Prabhuji Mataji. Pranam
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, everybody. So chant more today. Pray to Nityananda Prabhu. Okay. Hare Krishna. Join us for the evening. Hare Krishna.